Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all? How are you everyone? I want to know your condition. Write down it in my comment box. Sorry for forget to tell you. Welcome in my English for today with Afsar today's lessons. Haha, that was a joke. In my previous videos, I have already done one in all paragraph part 2 or 3. You are cordially invited to watch this video. Let's start today's lessons. Today's lesson is science and technology. You can get to know about all the science and technologies topic in one paragraph. There are computer, television, radio, internet, dish antenna, electricity, any kinds of science and technologies issues paragraph. We live in an age of science. Modern science is an of science. Modern civilization is the reflection of it. It is a blessing of mankind. We can see the wonders of science around us. Science has made our life easy and comfortable, such as telephone, computer, internet, radio, electricity, dish antenna, etc. They are very helpful to our life. We cannot think of modern life without it. It has changed our life, society, and culture. It has both good sides and bad sides. If it is used to welfare of mankind, it will be welcomed. But if it is used to the destruction of human environment, it is not welcomed by the people. The invention of XYZ changed the pace of the world. It has a great impact of us. It works like magic lamp of Aladdin. Now XYZ has become an essential part of in our everyday life. We cannot think a single moment of without it. We cannot do anything positive or negative by the help of it. But we should use it for the welfare of whole mankind. Set up your chosen paragraph name in XYZ. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Tap the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.